Lance, we've kind of talked about some of the misconceptions. We've cleared up a little bit about the value of cloud migration. What are some of the easy wins in cloud migration? When I'm thinking about the process, what are going to be the highest ROIs and something that I can show my investors, I can show my team, this is why we're doing it, and this is what we're achieving compared to our previous system?
If you want to look at really low-hanging fruit, I mean, take something simple. I'll mention both products because they're very similar, and I don't want to seem to favor one product. If you look at G Suite or Office 365, the old days, you might have had a mail server sitting in the corner of a room somewhere. The resources you had to throw at that mail server to make sure that, if we look at Microsoft's product Exchange, that you had to have an Exchange specialist either on your staff or on call, that when the server decided to do something strange, you could quickly get hold of someone before the director's emails weren't working. Today, it's very different. Today, that's no longer the IT department's problem. So you've shifted your mail from sitting in-house to an outsourced provider, like I say, either G Suite or Office 365, and you're not worrying about technically who's running the system. You're simply saying, well, here's my email. I want to access my email from any of my devices, from my phones, my laptops, my tablets, whatever my device might be. And I don't want to worry who's on the other side of that. I don't want to worry that when there's an issue that I'm calling my IT guy and say to my IT guy, why is my mailbox out of space? Why can't I send an email? Why is this mail bouncing? That is the quickest low-hanging fruit, the quickest win. And then on top of that, introducing other products like Teams, which has Microsoft Teams specifically, where I've seen the uptake to be massive over the past 2 years, where it's become a lot easier to have a conference call, to have a demonstration, a presentation, internally and externally. Those are very quick, very low-hanging fruit, and you see a very quick return on investments around that. It does introduce its own risks again, so those have to be managed. But yeah, definitely those products.